Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin breaking above its prior little swing high, coming up to it, pulling back to rotation zone, 8 pushing the price, breaking through it. This is a reverse scan box from the little swing low to this swing high, giving us a cluster, gave us a cluster at 12,226, 12,251. That was where this last bar stopped. Now we're watching 12,400 essentially for the next key level. Now I'm going to bring this forward over here. So now we have a forward GAN box from the major swing low, which we got 12,356 where it's stopping now. So it's already hit that level, but the next major level then we're watching for is 12,645. And above that there might be some minor resistance about 12,755. And then above that, we're looking at 13,300 essentially. 13,250 to 13,300. Now you can keep dragging this up as these levels are hit. You can keep doing the forward GAN box to help fine tune any clusters up there. Key support now coming in. Area we'll be watching this little shelf right here with these prior candle bodies. So the area of key support about 11,950. If we were to fall below that, we'd be watching for 11,665 to 700 area. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart, so you see the rotation zone clearly held. Moving up now, we're sitting right at that key level we just talked about. And that's also lining up with these little shelf candle bodies. So this is some minor resistance right here, but we've already listed off the key levels. Major support now coming in on a daily basis about I'm just going to watch 11. It's really about 10,950, but most people will be on the round number, so we'll be watching 10,950 to 11,000. Switching over to Ethereum, so we had our key area about 311, poking up just shy of it, pulling back, drifting sideways until the 8 started pushing the price, spiking through it, finding again resistance. This was a key resistance area, now breaking through it, so now we can update these. And the area I'm updating them to is the last pausing bar. So this was clearly a pausing bar. So now we get a cluster, 317.50 to 318. So that's your next cluster. Through there is 322.50. Let's just see how that plays out in the bigger picture. There's some resistance right above there. So I'd really focus at that 322.50 to 323 area as the next target if we get through to 317.51. Key support right now, we have this little shelf with the rising 8 coming in about 307.50. So that's the major support. If we were to drop below that, I'd be watching for next key support about 302.25. This little shelf right here, and the rising rotation zone. Let's check in on the daily chart. Here's your daily chart. So this area 318 candle bodies, major resistance right there. So definitely if you're long, that'd be a great place to move up stops. If you happen to buy anything on this pullback, great place to move up stops at least, or take something off the table and then put it back on the next pullback. And if you don't take action here, I would not ignore the 322.50 to 323 area. That's where these two tops are and the GAN projection is. That's what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.